Welcome to Business Success Tips, where you'll learn to make more money in less time and have a lot more fun. I'm your host, Paul Sanneman. I'm founder of Contractor Staffing Source, where we help contractors build great teams. My guest today is Madelyn Schmidt from RenoFi. I hope I got that right. Madelyn, what do you guys do?
Yeah, so RenoFi is actually the renovation financing company. So we specialize in renovation loans in various project sizes. We can fund renovations as small as 5,000 up to 750,000.
Okay, what's your position with the company and why should people listen to you?
Yeah, I am our Contractor Partnership Manager. So I manage our Contractor Partnership Program. So we have a free program for contractors to offer financing. There's no subscription fee, no per transaction fee, and you get access to our contractor platform to really centralize financing for you, in addition to free marketing materials to just really streamline that process with the financing.
So tell me, if I'm a contractor and I want to do a remodel and I come in and they say it's on, pick a number, $100,000. How do I go about using you? Do I do it in real time? Do they have to submit an application? What's the process that the homeowner needs to go through?
Yeah, we love to get involved in your process as early as possible in that sales process, because ideally we can help upsell that project for you. If a homeowner is looking at, let's say, $100,000 project, but looking at it as a monthly payment, maybe between $750 to $800 a month, they may be willing to push that project to 120,000 or even 150,000. We can also help qualify homeowners for you as well. If the homeowner comes to us and maybe they don't qualify for financing, they need to work on credit or their income, we can come back to you and say, hey, thanks for introducing this client, but they don't qualify at this point in time. They need to work on a few things. And that way you can get them out of your sales funnel. You're not wasting your time on tire kickers.
So now, what kind of credit score does someone need to qualify for your program?
Yeah, so generally you want a 660 credit score if you're considering any debt as a new consumer. So homeowners can actually review unsecured versus secured loan options when they're working with RenoFi. So that opens up that credit. We may be able to go below that 660 threshold for folks. But homeowners that may be below that credit minimum, we actually do have a partner where we've got a credit repair specialist we can introduce them to. That way they can keep that project going. Because in mortgages, we never like to say no, it just might not be right now.
Okay, so what is I go to, let's say my sales process is I go out, I have my first meeting with the homeowner and they say they want to, remodel their kitchen or whatever, it's 100 grand. When do you get involved? How do you get involved? How do they check their credit? Is it in real time? Give me sort of details of how this process works.
Yeah, so we love the real-time process. So if you're in the kitchen with the homeowner, you're chatting through numbers, you actually get a personalized link that homeowners can essentially see what their loan options will be. It takes about 2 minutes for the homeowner to submit their loan request, and then they'll be able to review interest rates and monthly payments while you're right there sitting with them at the kitchen table. If they want to explore those loan options and do a formal application with a credit pull, we do have what's called our self-serve flow. The homeowner can start right away with that application process. We start with a soft credit pull, so that way the client can review their options without impacting their credit. If they're not tech savvy or they want to discuss the loan options available, they have an option to schedule a call with our loan officer team to chat through what their options are and what that process looks like.
Now, do you approve it in real time or how long does it take to approve somebody who has good credit?
Yeah, so if someone who has good credit, let's say $100,000 project, we'd be considering likely our secured loan options. So in those instances, it is a mortgage product. We're going to get them pre-qualified, usually within 24 to 48 hours. And then from there, we kind of sit in that pre-qual stage for a little while because the homeowner will need to go through your design process. We will need the project plans as part of that final loan package, but we can at least give you guys an update on that max loan amount and what their max budget is within that 24 to 48 hour process.
So you don't approve anything on the spot, but it takes you about like a day or two to get everything great, straight, right?
Right, correct. So we've got an application link that it will at least give you a high confidence of that approval in 2 minutes. That one's going to be live when you're with the client, so that way you at least know what they may qualify for. From there, the homeowner would work directly with our team to get their formal pre-qualification letter. And we'll keep you updated through that process within that contractor platform. You actually get live updates as the homeowner is going through the loan process. You also get email updates as well.
Now, how do your rates compare with, say, credit cards or second mortgages, or, there's obvious ways of getting financing, or a bank loan. How do you guys compare to those other ways of getting financing?
Yeah, very comparable interest rates. They're actually much lower than credit card interest rates. For our unsecured loan option, we're seeing interest rates around 10.74%. For our secured loan options, which is a second mortgage option, it's going to be very similar to the market rate. Second mortgages are based off of Wall Street Journal Prime. You guys may have heard in the news the Fed's decreased rate. That was actually the prime rate that they decreased. And so today it is starting at 7.25%, 7.25%. And so homeowners will see it usually between 7.25% up to, I would say, about 9.25%, depending
How
on
much is
credit
that?
score.
How much does the Feds reduce the rate?
They did a quarter of an interest rate. So it was 7.5. Now it's at 7.25. Fingers crossed, they say we expect some decreases throughout the remainder of the year.
So hopefully it's going down, not up, right?
Right. Yes, they project it going down, which is actually great for our loan product because most homeowners leverage our variable rate interest HELOC option. So as the Feds decrease rate, homeowners who have an existing HELOC or choose to get a HELOC with us will see that interest rate decrease over time.
Okay. Who is I'm going to say your ideal client, if you could pick one? Who's your perfect client? Is a contractor?
Yeah, so honestly, our ideal client is going to be homeowners who have been in their home maybe 5 to 7 years. They may not have a ton of equity in their home, so they're looking to leverage that future value. As far as contractors, really any contractor that is working with homeowners. So if you are in the residential business, like I said, we can take projects as low as 5,000, and we do loans up to 750,000. So.
Okay. And so how do you become a partner? Let's say I'm a contractor and I want to use your services. How do I sort of initiate with you, become a partner with you? What's that process look like?
Yeah, pretty straightforward process. You can reach out to me directly. I've got my contact information on the screen. Feel free to email me or call me. You can also go to renofi.com/contractors, and you can actually read more on our contractor program, but there's also a self-registration flow. So if you wanted to go ahead and register to get access to our contractor platform, you can knock that out in a couple of minutes and get access to your personalized link and landing page and start introducing homeowners same day.
So if I want to include you in my marketing materials, or say that we offer financing on my website, or how does it do I have something on my website? Do I have brochures I hand out? How do I let my clients know that it is an option?
Yep, so you'll actually get a personalized link so we can help get that added to your website so you can have a financing tab on your website. Any homeowner that utilizes your personalized link, you get notified that they've gone through that request flow. You do also get virtual postcards, virtual flyers that you can leverage to print out and use them as leave behinds when you're on site with clients.
Okay. Can you tell me maybe some success stories of contractors you work with that once they worked with RenoFi, they were able to sell more remodels and more
Yeah,
expensive remodels?
absolutely. Yeah, one of our top contractor partners, Normandy Remodeling, outside of the Illinois market. I believe they're based out of Chicago area. They can actually attribute up to 40% of their contract signed due to offering financing this year. So they have been a solid partner because what's been interesting with homeowners who are looking to renovate their home, a lot of times that, homeowners will have a lump sum in their mind. They may think they can get that kitchen remodel done for 20, 25,000, but we know it's going to be closer to 90,000. And so being able to offer that financing and help that homeowner look at that 90,000 in a small monthly payment versus that lump sum really helps better sell that project. It keeps the homeowner excited because a monthly payment of $600, $700 is much more feasible for a homeowner than coming up with that 90,000.
Yeah, that's right. And so, what percentage, once somebody initiates your program, do they end up doing maybe 25%, or what percentage of their sales end up being refinanced? I mean, being using RenoFi versus just cash?
So honestly, our research shows that most homeowners, usually around 65 to 70% of homeowners, are actually financing their renovation. They may not necessarily share that with the contractor. In some cases, they're looking at a home equity loan, maybe on current value, or they're doing a cash out refinance of their mortgage. But what's great and unique about RenoFi's product is homeowners do not have to refinance their mortgage. Most folks took advantage of that low 3% interest rate a few years back. They can keep that 3%. We're just going to finance the cost of the home equity, the cost of the project, excuse me, in a home equity loan for them. So it just gives them a lot of flexibility for the construction process.
So I would say in this particular period where you've got everybody's holding on to their 3-4% loans, this is a way better option because they want to refinance their house at 7%. That's not going to happen, right?
Exactly.
So I
Exactly.
imagine you have a lot of people going, wow, I don't have to refinance. I can keep my 3% loan. I can still get my new kitchen and it all works out, right?
Exactly. Spot on.
Cool. All right. So, I mean, my suggestion is if you don't have, I guess the options they have to do it themselves, but I think a lot of, homeowners don't know how or not sure or don't know what they're doing. And obviously you can help them with that. So I would say pretty much most remodeling contractors and people that are selling stuff should offer refinancing as an option or, RenoFi as an option because I mean, for better or worse, our society is built on financing everything, right?
Mhm.
I
Yep.
mean, you don't buy a car cash, you don't buy a house cash, you don't buy pretty much anything cash. You basically, use a credit card or use financing of some kind. It sounds like this is an ideal way for the homeowner to take advantage of somebody who knows what they're doing, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And, back in the day, homeowners would talk to a contractor. They may say, we'll start the project in a year, maybe 18 months, because they need that time to save up to be able to afford the full project. This allows
Mhm.
them to move fast. They can move immediately. Let's not wait 18 months. Let's finance it now. We'll get that project done with a RenoFi loan. There's no prepayment penalty. So the homeowner can always pay us off once they have that money saved. And so
Mhm.
it speeds up the renovation journey. It speeds up your pipeline as well because we do pay the funds up front. So there are no draws, there's no inspections. Basically, a RenoFi loan does create a cash buyer for contractors.
Great. And so do you pay in like as it's done or upfront for let's say I'm doing $100,000 kitchen. Like lots of banks will pay, they have to have certain things meet before they pay. You'll pay it all up front?
Correct. We will pay it all up front, excluding Texas. I'll just call that out in case there are some folks in Texas. There are some unique laws and guidelines in Texas where we may have draws and inspections, but in all other states, it will be a lump sum up front. Most homeowners choose our line of credit aspect, so they will just draw on the line as they need to make payments to the contractor.
Right. So it's a lot simpler for the contractor than going through bank inspections, obviously.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Cool. And I mean, I guess you could make an argument that construction costs are going up, right? They never go down. They always go up, right?
Right.
And
Always
so
going up.
always going up. So you could probably make a case that if you do it now and borrow the money versus doing it a year from now, you're probably going to make the interest in it and, make up the interest and increase in cost of the construction. So it's sort of free if you want to look at it that way, right?
Right. Yeah, exactly. And it's just easier for homeowners. Right now, we've even seen folks that may have the cash, but maybe the cash is tied up in the market, maybe earning them anywhere from 11 to 13%. That's a great earning versus borrowing against maybe 7%, 8%. So
Right.
folks that do have the cash may not want to access it. And so it opens up your clientele. It allows the project to move forward faster. And by offering financing in-house as a contractor, you remain the expert. You don't want to send your
Right.
homeowners out into the world to find their own financing because they may find financing exclusively through another contractor. So it keeps them
Right.
within your own ecosystem.
Also, I mean, banks aren't the easiest to borrow money from. I mean, the rule of bank, if you don't need money, the bank will loan it to you, right? That's sort of the rule of bank.
Right.
So I think
And
this is a good.
most banks leverage just on current value and they're not renovation driven. RenoFi specializes in renovation loans. We can actually leverage the future value for homeowners without those draws and inspections. But homeowners who may not have a ton of equity and may have been told by the bank they can only borrow 20 or 30,000 comes to RenoFi and leverages future value, we may be able to get 75, 90,000.
That sounds great. Well, I would say if you are a remodeling contractor or any kind of contractor that's trying to get money from clients, this is a way better alternative than having to do everything cash. So, Madelyn, thank you for being here. And again, if you want to get a hold of her, it's right there on the screen. You can watch it. And I guess it happens in a day or two once they call you, right? It's really quick.
Yeah, absolutely. Give me a call. We can get you registered same day.
Okay. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate being here. And I think this is a great thing that all contractors should have as an option.
Absolutely. Well, thanks so much for having me, Paul. I appreciate it.